Hello, and today I'll be speaking about virtual reality. Virtual reality is pretty much a video screen on an axis that is attached to your face to show you things like clips, games, and other media. How it works is basically your left and right eyes are actually slightly offset in vision. So to replicate the experience using VR, they offset the video in a way to match the way your eyes see. So as you saw from the picture, the Google Cardboard is made from obviously cardboard and plastic lenses. To use a Google Cardboard, you need a phone you can slot into the box. However, you need separate apps or videos that are supported in VR to run it. I think VR is an amazing use of technology that, if used properly, may impact the way we live in the future in a positive way. Here's an example of a VR game.
Super hot. Super. Super hot. Super